Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together in a comprehensive exploration of Pinterest and its potential for your small online business. In this extended video, we'll delve deep into Pinterest's many facets and strategies. So grab a pen and paper because there's a lot to cover. Let us start with the fundamentals. What exactly is Pinterest and why should you care? Pinterest isn't just another social media platform. It is a visual discovery engine. It is where people come to explore, discover, and curate ideas, inspiration, products, and services through visually appealing pins. Think of it as a giant digital bulletin board with millions of users actively searching for solutions, inspiration, and information. Now, let's dive into why Pinterest is a goldmine for small online businesses. The potential is astonishing. Pinterest can drive up to 10 times more traffic to your website than both YouTube and Instagram combined. What's even more remarkable? You don't need a massive following or tons of subscribers. Pinterest can level the playing field and help you attract potential customers and clients. To harness the full potential of Pinterest, you must choose the right niche for your business. While you might have heard the DIY home decor, fashion, and recipes dominate Pinterest, that doesn't mean you should conform to these trends. Your Pinterest account should align seamlessly with your specific business niche, ensuring that your content is relevant and engaging to your target audience. Creating pins that stand out is essential. Not all pins are created equal. And to maximize your success on Pinterest, you should focus on three primary pin types: how-to pins, list pins, and idea pins. How-to pins guide users to your blog posts or content that offers solutions to their problems. List pins provide valuable information or tips in a list format. Idea pins are short, interactive, and engaging content pieces that can captivate your audience. Pinterest SEO is your secret weapon for getting discovered on the platform. It is about optimizing your entire Pinterest presence, including your account, boards, pins, and even your website to align with Pinterest algorithm. Begin by conducting keywords research to identify relevant and trending keywords in your niche. Integrate these keywords strategically into your account name, board descriptions, and pin titles to increase your visibility in searches. Here is the ultimate Pinterest secret to turbocharging your online business income: getting users off Pinterest and onto your email list. Your email list is a direct channel of communication with potential customers. It allows you to send personalized content, exclusive offers, and build lasting relationships. To achieve this, offer compelling freebies or gifts on your pins, enticing users to join your email list. Now, you may be wondering, where do I start? Here are some actionable steps to kickstart your journey towards Pinterest success. First is, create a dedicated Pinterest business account if you haven't already. Then, ensure that your account name clearly reflects your business niche. And then convert your personal Pinterest boards into business boards. Start creating pins that are in line with your niche and resonate with your target audience. Now that we have covered the basics, let's delve into some advanced Pinterest strategies to take your business to the next level. Group boards are a powerful way to expand your reach on Pinterest. These are boards where multiple contributors can share pins on a common topic. Collaborating with other pinners in your niche can help you reach a broader audience and gain exposure to new followers. Pinterest offers robust advertising options for businesses. Promoted pins allow you to boost the visibility of your pins to a highly targeted audience. We will discuss how to create effective Pinterest ad campaigns that yield a positive return on investment. Consistency is key on Pinterest. We will discuss how to create a content calendar that helps you plan, schedule, and maintain a steady flow of pins, keeping your audience engaged and coming back for more. Pinterest is a powerhouse for small online businesses, and by grasping its unique dynamics and implementing the strategies discussed today, you can unlock its full potential. So, before we sign off, let us touch on a few more pro tips to supercharge your Pinterest game. One way to stand out on Pinterest is by repurposing your content. Take your blog post, podcast, or YouTube videos and transform them into engaging pins. This not only saves you time but also ensures that your valuable content reaches a broader audience. Embrace trends and seasonal content. Pinterest is a platform where users actively search for holiday inspiration, seasonal recipes, and event planning ideas. Tap into this by creating timely content that aligns with the current season or upcoming holidays. Pay attention to aesthetics. Pinterest is a highly visual platform, and the look and feel of your pins matter. Invest in high-quality images, use cohesive branding, and experiment with different pin designs to discover what resonates best with your audience. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Building a sense of community and trust with your followers can turn them into loyal customers and advocates for your brand. Don't forget to cross-promote your Pinterest content on your other social media channels. Share your pins on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and any other platforms where your audience hangs out. This can help drive more traffic to your Pinterest profile and ultimately to your website. Keep an eye on Pinterest's evolving features and updates. As the platform continues to grow and change, staying informed about new tools and capabilities can give you a competitive edge. Consider running contests or giveaways on Pinterest. This can generate excitement and engagement, driving more users to your pins and increasing your visibility on the platform. Use story pins to tell a compelling narrative about your brand. Story pins are a fantastic way to showcase your products, share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your businesses or business, and connect with your audience on a more personal level. Leverage user-generated content by encouraging your customers to create and share pins featuring your products or services. This not only provides social proof, but also expands your reach as their followers discovers your brand. Remember that Pinterest is not one-size-fits-all platform. Be open to adjusting your strategy based on your analytics and user feedback. What works for one business may not work for another, so be willing to adapt and iterate. Don't limit yourself to a single language. Pinterest has a global audience, so consider creating pins and boards in multiple languages to reach more diverse audience. Join and actively participate in niche-related group boards. Engaging with like-minded pinners can lead to valuable connections, increased exposure, and even collaborative opportunities. Keep an eye on emerging trends in e-commerce and online marketing. Pinterest's algorithm and user behavior may evolve, so staying informed about industry trends will help you stay ahead of the curve. Thank you once again for joining us on this extended journey through Pinterest marketing. We wish you all the success in the world as you harness the incredible potential of this platform to promote your business in 2023. Stay inspired, stay creative, and watch your business flourish. Goodbye for now and happy pinning.